I'm Michael with OrthoPro, and we enjoy the opportunity to support our community members that help others that have special needs, especially the children. Today we're at Gemstone Adaptive Climbing, and we're learning how the benefits of doing this activity help not only the children, but the volunteers are helped, as well as the parents.
I'm Brianna's dad, and she's been coming to Gemstone Adaptive Climbing for several months now. She really enjoys it. She's getting a lot out of it, just confidence in being able to climb and confidence talking to people and working with new people. It's definitely making her a lot stronger, and I love the strength and stuff that she's getting in her legs and in her arms, which is helping her, walking and doing a lot of other things throughout the week. It's really been a big benefit for us for what these guys are doing here for these kids that don't necessarily get to go do all the same things that like her sisters and brothers got to do, go play basketball and go, play baseball and different things. But this is something that she's definitely able to come here and do and enjoy. That's her thing that she gets to look forward to. I got to help her climb one day, and I was halfway up the wall and I was pooped. And the only reason why I didn't get to quit is because she kept telling me we had to go hit the bell. I really appreciate these guys and what they're doing for these kids, because it definitely gives them something else to be able to look forward to and do that normally, that we didn't have in this valley a long time ago. So it's definitely a huge benefit for these kids.